If you have a friend who's into investing, chances are they've told you multiple times that the secret to a solid portfolio is owning one of them blue chip stocks. And believe me, they're absolutely right, since blue chip stocks are like the backbone of a strong investment strategy. They're steady, reliable, and built to withstand even the toughest market conditions. So, if you're in this game for the long haul, these are the stocks you want in your corner. So, stick around, because if you're serious about long-term wealth, this is one video you don't want to miss. The first on our list is Microsoft Corporation, and let's be honest, this one needs no introduction. If you're watching this on a Windows computer or use Word, Excel, or even Xbox, you're already in Microsoft's ecosystem. This company is everywhere, literally. I mean software, cloud computing, AI, gaming, enterprise solutions, you name it. Microsoft is dominating it. And when it comes to stock performances, it's been on fire. Microsoft's compound annual growth rate was at around 20% over the past 5 years, making it one of the strongest performers in the tech space. So let's put that into perspective. If you had invested $50,000 in Microsoft stock a few years ago, today you'd be looking at around $86,000 in just 3 years, $124,000 in 5, and a mind-blowing $310,000 in 10 years. That's why Microsoft isn't just a company, it's a tech empire. And this stock, yeah, it's one you're going to want in your retirement portfolio. The second on our list is Apple Inc., the company that turned a simple fruit into a multi-trillion-dollar empire. Seriously, if you don't own an iPhone, chances are that you know at least 10 people who do. Apple isn't just a tech company, it's a lifestyle brand, a status symbol, and an unstoppable money machine all rolled into one. From MacBooks to AirPods to Apple Pay, this company has mastered the art of locking customers into its ecosystem. And investors? Oh, they've been loving every second of it, since Apple has consistently delivered strong returns, with a CAGR exceeding 26% over the past 5 years. So if you had invested $50,000 into Apple stock, after 3 years, your portfolio would be sitting at around $98,000. Give it 5 years, and that number jumps to around $159,000. But hold it for a full 10 years, and you'd be looking at a solid $504,000. Not bad just for letting your investment ride the wave of Apple's dominance. And with its growing push into AI services and wearables, Apple isn't slowing down anytime soon. Now into our third pick, Johnson & Johnson, a company so reliable you can say it's the stock market's version of a first aid kit. And you've probably used their products without even thinking about it. Band-Aids, Tylenol, and even some of the world's most trusted pharmaceuticals. Unlike tech stocks that can skyrocket or crash, Johnson & Johnson is all about stability. Healthcare is never going out of style, and with its massive portfolio of medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and consumer health products, this company keeps the cash flowing even in economic downturns. Its CAGR sits at around 6% over the past 5 years, which might not sound fancy as the previous one, but it's as steady as they come. A $50,000 investment in Johnson & Johnson would have grown to about $59,500 in 3 years, $66,900 in 5 years, and after 10 years, you'd be looking at $89,500. It's not the fastest growing stock, but it's a safe bet for long-term investors who want steady, reliable returns. If you want a stock that lets you sleep easy at night, J&J is the one. Our fourth pick for you is the Coca-Cola Company, a brand so iconic you can probably picture that red can right now. Whether it's the summer barbecues, the holiday commercials, or just the random vending machines on the street, Coke is everywhere. And that's exactly what makes it such a powerhouse investment. With a global presence in over 200 countries, this company is known for notoriously making money no matter the economic climate. In terms of numbers, Coca-Cola's CAGR sits at around 9% over the past 5 years. Not explosive growth, but incredibly steady, especially consistent with hefty dividends. So, if you had invested $50,000, your portfolio would have grown to about $65,000 in 3 years, $78,000 in 5 years, and after 10 years, you'd be looking at $121,600,000. Coca-Cola is the definition of a dividend king, increasing its payouts for over 60 years straight. If you're looking for a reliable stock that pays you to hold it, Coke is as refreshing for your portfolio as it is in a glass over ice. Now to a company that's as old as the stock market itself, Procter & Gamble. Okay, maybe not that old, but considering that it was founded in 1837, it has been around for a while, and for good reason. If you've ever brushed your teeth, done laundry, or washed your hair, chances are you've used a P&G product. We're talking about brands like Crest, Tide, Pampers, Gillette, and Head & Shoulders. Basically, the household essentials that people keep buying no matter what's happening in the economy. This is what makes P&G a solid investment. It thrives in good times and bad because, let's be honest, people aren't going to stop buying shampoo and toothpaste anytime soon. With a CAGR of about 10% over the past 5 years, it offers steady, reliable growth. Now, let's put that into numbers. A $50,000 investment in P&G would have grown to around $66,500 in 3 years, $80,600 in 5 years, and after 10 years, you'd be sitting on $130,000. Not bad for a company that just keeps selling the basics. P&G isn't flashy, but it's one of the safest bets in the market. A true dividend king that has been rewarding investors for over 130 years. Now let's get into the finance stuff. Because what's a retirement portfolio without a little money movement, right? That's why Visa Inc., the company that's basically the backbone of global payments, is our 6th pick. Because every time you swipe, tap, or enter your card details online, Visa is taking a tiny cut of that transaction. And with billions of transactions happening daily, that tiny cut adds up to a lot of money. Visa isn't a bank, and it doesn't lend money, which means it avoids the messy risks of bad debt. Instead, it just processes payments and collects fees, making it one of the most profitable and scalable businesses in the world. With the rise of digital payments, e-commerce, and contactless transactions, Visa's future is looking even brighter. Now, let's talk numbers. Visa's CAGR has been around 15% over the past 5 years, meaning a $50,000 investment would have turned into about $76,000 in 3 years, $105,000 in 5 years, and after 10 years, you'd be staring at $203,000. Now to the last, but definitely not the least, Berkshire Hathaway, aka Warren Buffett's money-making machine. If there's one stock that screams long-term wealth, this is it. Owned and run by the legendary Warren Buffett, Berkshire isn't just one company, but a collection of some of the most successful businesses in the world. We're talking Apple, CocaCola, American Express, Geico, and dozens more, all wrapped up into one stock. Berkshire Hathaway doesn't pay dividends, but here's the trade-off. It compounds wealth like crazy, with a CAGR of around 21% over the past 5 years. It has consistently outperformed the market. So what does that mean for your money? A $50,000 investment would have grown to about $89,000 in 3 years, $130,000 in 5 years, and after 10 years, you'd be sitting on $336,000. Not bad for a stock that's basically a mini stock market of its own. And that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching.